So how did you get the blueberries off the counter, doll? Lily? Hi. Are you happy, camper? You with all your millions of blueberries that you got off the counter and spilled the package? Hey, you, monster. What are we going to do now? Are you just going to kick them and eat them? Mama has to pick all this up without squishing them and getting blue toes. Hey. Hey, you. I love you, you silly goose. I was wondering why you were so quiet. Are you making blueberry waves?